If you want to make custom shapes, then you can utilize pen tool. So to do that, over here on the left hand side, you can see that pen tool is an option. So once you go around and select it, you can click and click right here wherever you want to make a custom shape, as you can see this like this. What you can also do is utilize the pen tool, click and drag to create a curve, as you can see right here. And you can see that you bring in another curve over here just like this, and you can go around, click and then click again to bring out the curve right here to make out a curved shape as well. If I were to go around and change around the handle right here, you can also make it pointy, as you can see right here just like this, and you can get any shape that you want. Utilizing the pen tool takes some practice, so you do need to practice out a bit to get the shape you want. You can also go around and click right here just like this, as you can see, and then utilize this to actually go around and make out the curve as well. So you can click right here, make a straight line and pull these handles over here to make out curves on the edges just like this, after you actually go around and add in some lines. So you can go around over here, click around over here just like this, and then drag these points out as well, adjust it out according to how you want, and then work around with it how you like to make a shape you want. And as with any other shapes, you can go around and add in a fill color right here, and you can go around add in border over here just like this as well, let's say for example, and then change around all of the other option, like you can change around the millimeters over here just like this as well. You can add in shadows over here and get the effect you want. And that is how you can create out custom shapes by using pen tool inside of Vectr. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.